how to write dates in IELTS listening. This is the topic for today, and this is a very small topic, but still so many students have doubt in this. So basically, writing the dates in correct manner is concerned. You can write like 14th March, 14th March. It is perfectly okay. March 14th, it is also correct. You can write in either manner. 14 March 2014. Okay, and likho. But there is one thing, there are so many students who are not sure about the spelling. So they are writing like mar.scp.gan. I'll recommend, instead of writing like this, it can be correct at times, but instead of writing like this, you better write like 14/03/2014. It will be the correct manner. Now I hope you are clear with the dates writing. Let's proceed further with the currency thing. I know dollar sign is clear to each and every student. This is the sign of dollar. When you have to write dollar, you'll write like this using S and a slash in between. Now, when it comes to pounds, you will write pounds like this. Instead of writing this, you better use the symbol and pounds. So, now coming to the euro, which is used in Europe, you will use E with two lines, two horizontal lines in between. This is euro. So, I believe currency thing is also clear to you. You will not face any problem as far as these 2 points are concerned. Thanks for watching the video. Do post your comments if you have any doubt.